The fire that swept through Los Angeles has left a trail of devastation, affecting thousands and causing significant damage. In this video, we dive deep into the heart of the crisis, aiming to provide a comprehensive understanding of its causes, casualties, and economic impact. As the flames raged, they didn't just consume acres of land, they profoundly affected the lives of residents and businesses alike. Today, we explore not only the origins of this disastrous event, but also the immediate and long-lasting repercussions it has on the community. We begin with an overview of the situation, setting the stage for a detailed examination of how this tragedy unfolded. The fire's intensity and scale have shocked many, leaving a pressing question on everyone's mind. What could have sparked such devastation? As we venture through each segment, we'll uncover the multifaceted layers of this crisis, aiming to inform and enlighten our viewers. This is more than just a news update. It's an invitation to understand the gravity of the situation and the shared responsibility we hold in addressing its aftermath. Join us as we unravel the story of the Los Angeles fire and its profound impact. In the heart of Los Angeles, a catastrophic fire has ignited a wave of concern and inquiry. Investigators are meticulously piecing together the puzzle of its origins, delving into both environmental and human factors that may have sparked this crisis. Could it be the relentless heat, the dry winds sweeping through the city, or perhaps human negligence? Experts are tirelessly analyzing every possibility to unravel the truth behind this disaster. Their findings will not only shed light on the immediate causes, but also guide future prevention strategies, aiming to avert such devastating events in the future. Understanding what ignited this blaze is crucial, not just for addressing the current catastrophe, but for safeguarding this city against future threats. As we delve deeper into this narrative, we explore how these elements combine to create a perfect storm, setting Los Angeles ablaze. Stay with us as we continue to uncover more about the impacts and responses to this tragic event, moving next into the human stories of loss and survival that have emerged from the ashes. In the heart of Los Angeles, the recent fire has left an indelible mark on the community. The numbers are stark, with countless lives lost and families forced from their homes. These statistics, however, only scratch the surface of the profound human impact. Behind every number is a story of survival, of loss, and of resilience. We hear from those who have lived through the ordeal. Maria, a local resident, recounts the harrowing night she fled with her children as flames approached their home. Her voice trembles as she describes the moment they realized everything they owned was gone. In another part of the city, Jack shares how his neighborhood rallied together, offering shelter and support to those in need. These personal stories paint a vivid picture of the fire's devastating reach. The human toll is immense and extends far beyond the immediate losses. Communities are left to rebuild from the ashes, each family grappling with the emotional and physical scars left behind. As we delve deeper into this tragedy, we must not forget these personal narratives that remind us of the fragility of life and the strength of human spirit. Next, we explore the economic ramifications of this disaster, examining how the fire has reshaped the financial landscape of Los Angeles. The economic impact of the Los Angeles fire is profound, stretching far beyond the immediate devastation. Financial losses are staggering, with estimates reaching into the billions. Local businesses have borne the brunt of this tragedy, facing not only physical destruction, but also a significant dip in consumer confidence. Infrastructure, the backbone of any thriving city, has been severely compromised, resulting in long-term challenges for rebuilding and growth. The fire's ripple effect on the economy is undeniable, affecting employment rates and market stability across the region. As we delve deeper into these economic ramifications, it's clear that the road to recovery will be long and arduous. However, understanding these impacts is crucial for devising effective strategies to support affected communities and restore economic vitality. In the face of such adversity, resilience and innovation will be key in driving the recovery process. Up next, we'll explore the concerted efforts being made by firefighters and emergency services to contain the blaze and aid those in need. Their tireless dedication is a beacon of hope in these challenging times. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the response efforts that are shaping the future of Los Angeles. As the flames engulfed Los Angeles, the brave firefighters and emergency services stood at the forefront of the battle. Their relentless efforts have been crucial in controlling the blaze, working day and night to protect lives and property. The community has rallied together in this time of crisis, offering support and organizing relief operations to aid those affected. Volunteers have tirelessly distributed food, water, and essential supplies, showcasing the spirit of unity and resilience. Meanwhile, the government has responded with necessary funding and resources, ensuring that emergency services are equipped to handle the demands of the crisis. This collaboration between local authorities, community members, and government bodies is pivotal in facilitating a path towards recovery. As we document these efforts, it's clear that the combined strength of these entities plays a vital role in overcoming the devastation left in the fire's wake. Together, they are not just combating the immediate threat, but also laying the groundwork for rebuilding and healing. As we delve into the environmental consequences next, we continue to witness the profound impact of this disaster on both nature and humanity alike. In the aftermath of the Los Angeles fire, the environmental toll has been profound. Beyond the immediate destruction, the fire has left indelible scars on local ecosystems. The once vibrant landscapes now bear the marks of devastation, affecting countless species that call these habitats home. The long-term environmental effects are equally concerning, with soil degradation and potential water contamination posing ongoing challenges. Yet, amidst this bleak scenario, efforts to restore and protect these ecosystems have begun to take shape. Conservationists and local authorities are working hand in hand, launching initiatives aimed at rehabilitation and future prevention. These efforts are crucial in rebuilding not just the land, but also the natural balance that sustains it. As we assess the damage, it becomes clear that our response today will shape the environmental health of tomorrow. The journey toward recovery is arduous, but essential, reminding us of our responsibility to nurture and preserve our planet. As we turn our attention to the resilience of the communities affected, their stories of hope and rebuilding shine through, illustrating the power of collective effort and determination. Join us as we explore how these communities are rising from the ashes with renewed strength and unity. In the aftermath of the devastating Los Angeles fire, a remarkable story of community resilience emerges. Amidst the ashes, neighborhoods have united, drawing strength from each other to rebuild what was lost. Families, once strangers, now stand together, forming support networks that provide not just physical aid, but emotional comfort. These stories of resilience showcase the indomitable spirit of a community determined to rise from adversity. Rebuilding efforts are underway, with volunteers and local organizations tirelessly working to restore homes and lives. Their efforts remind us that even in the darkest times, hope and solidarity can light the way forward. The strength of these communities lies not just in their ability to recover, but in their commitment to support one another, proving that unity is their greatest asset. As we witness this inspiring journey of recovery, it becomes clear that resilience is not just about bouncing back, it's about coming back stronger. This segment not only highlights the power of community, but sets the stage for understanding the broader implications of such events on policy and future prevention measures. Next, we delve into how these lessons are shaping strategies to prevent future tragedies. In the aftermath of the devastating Los Angeles fire, significant policy shifts are being considered to safeguard against future disasters. Government officials are assessing the current framework and implementing changes aimed at strengthening fire prevention and response capabilities. Experts from various fields are contributing their insights, emphasizing the need for a comprehensive approach that includes stricter regulations, enhanced emergency preparedness, and increased public awareness campaigns. These proposed measures are designed to address both the immediate risks and long-term challenges posed by such fires. Preventative strategies are at the forefront of these discussions. They include improving infrastructure to withstand fire outbreaks, promoting sustainable land management practices, and investing in state-of-the-art technology for early detection and rapid response. With these efforts, Los Angeles aims to not only rebuild, but also fortify its defenses against future threats. As we move forward, expert recommendations underscore the importance of community involvement in these initiatives. Public education and engagement are key components in fostering a culture of resilience and readiness. The changes being contemplated today are not just about recovery, they represent a commitment to a safer, more prepared tomorrow. Next, we delve into the lessons learned from this crisis and how they shape our future actions. As the embers settle and the smoke clears, we are left with invaluable insights. The recent fire in Los Angeles has underscored the importance of preparedness and has driven significant improvements in emergency response protocols. Firefighters and first responders are now better equipped, thanks to lessons learned from this crisis. Moreover, this event has sparked a renewed focus on public education, ensuring that communities are more aware and better prepared for such emergencies in the future. While the devastation was profound, the lessons learned have paved the way for a safer tomorrow. As we reflect on these changes, it becomes clear that awareness and education are our strongest allies in facing future challenges. Next, we will explore how these lessons are shaping policy decisions, driving preventive measures, and what steps are being taken to safeguard against future fires. As we conclude our journey through the devastating events of the Los Angeles fire, we reflect on the critical points discussed, from understanding the causes and the tragic human toll to the far-reaching economic consequences. It's clear this disaster has left a profound impact on many lives. Now, more than ever, staying informed and prepared is vital. We urge you to engage with local support initiatives, contributing to the recovery and rebuilding efforts. Your involvement can make a difference in these trying times. Stay updated on the progress and participate in community discussions. By doing so, you help foster resilience and hope for those affected. Together, we can work towards a future where such tragedies are met with preparedness and solidarity. Let us remain vigilant and proactive, ensuring that our communities are equipped to handle such challenges. Thank you for joining us in this important conversation. Remember, your actions today can shape a safer tomorrow. Stay informed, stay prepared, and continue to support those in need. We appreciate your attention and commitment to understanding the gravity of these events. Until next time, stay safe and engaged.